I think Bollywood just does influence Indian fashion in a big way. The iconic movies set a trend for costumes, the accessories, and basically the creativity and the kind of beauty that it brings out. And through the years, I think I have seen a lot of films which have created an impact. If you say my own films, Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. After Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, I remember when I used to walk into any wedding, I used to see at least a few purple saris or the green and white lehenga or the red dress from Mausam Ka Jadoo. After Dil To Pagal Hai, the salwar kameez, the chiffon look had become very, very popular. So they do influence our Indian contemporary fashion in a big way and basically adds to the variety that we have in India. Yes, it's not been very difficult to handle both because fashion and creativity go hand in hand. When you're performing or when you're doing a role, you have to first work out what you're going to wear, how you're going to look, what your look is going to be like in the movie, what character you're playing. So the dressing is according to that. Even in real life, sometimes you dress for comfort, sometimes you dress to look good, or sometimes you dress very heavy to go for a wedding, or when you're doing different reality shows, you're trying to get different looks which people can aspire for and which people can follow. Um, when dance and fashion is concerned, I think I really strongly believe in self-expression. And in dance, it's through your movements and through your expressions. Um, and in fashion, it is the creativity and the kind of clothes you choose to wear. So I think it's very important to communicate, whether it's through dancing or your dressing.